This customer complaint was that the dryer would stay running even when it was powered off and no heat. So here I am turning it off. You can listen. Dryer's still running. So I want to check this with minimum disassembly as possible, especially with the no heat. So what I'm going to check first is the motor relay. I'm checking it here. This schematic I already pre-diagnosed and typed that up. So there I checked and there is continuity there when there should not be. So that tells me there's a stuck motor relay. That's the first problem. My next issue here is the no heat. I want to check that circuit all the way from the relay through the heating element, safeties, through the centrifugal switch, all the way to line 2. I'm going to do this by manually rotating the drum with my connection up at the relay all the way to line 2, and that'll let me know that I have a good centrifugal switch all the way up the heating circuit. There it is. That tells me I have a complete heating circuit. Heating circuit's good, the control board is bad.